Touchdown City Beacon, Beacon Volunteer respond. Report electrical lines. There should be a service line sparking by a house. Number 31 North Walnut Street between Oak Street and Burplank Avenue, Station 2 area. Repeating to City Beacon, Beacon Volunteer respond. Report electrical line sparking. Should be a service line near the house. Number 31 North Walnut Street between Oak Street and Burplank Avenue, Station 2 area. 1732, 1446.
83 responding.
Beacon 3211 responding.
Beacon 3012 down to scene investigating.
Dutchess 1 to NDP and Millerton Ambulance respond priority 1 for a female having a seizure at the Grand Union, number 122 Route 44 between Main Street and the dead end. Repeating to NDP and Millerton, respond priority 1 for female in seizure. This will be the Grand Union, number 122 Route 44 between Main Street and the dead end at 1736, 1413.
NDP Medic 75 on scene in Millerton.
2779 to Vassar ALS at 1746, 1413. Dutchess 1 to roundabout stations 1 and 2. Respond for call station 1's area. Transformer fire with wires down and burning in the area 44 Kip Avenue between Maple Avenue and Blodgett Road. Repeating a roundabout respond. This will be in station 1's area for station 1 and 2. A transformer fire with wires down and burning in the area 44 Kip Avenue between Maple Avenue and Blodgett Road at 1751, 1413.
Chelsea 3512. We're out to a reported tree down across the road, Brockway Road in the area of Holly Loop. Please dispatch that.